Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your data source accepts files. You need attachments enabled in SharePoint or the table schema. Next, add an edit form or attachments control to the screen and set its data source and item to the record you'll update. Once those properties point to the right list or table, make sure the form mode is edit and that the attachments card is visible. This gets you straight into action, rather than wasting time on settings you already configured. Now you add and configure the control itself. Insert the attachments control inside the edit form or add the attachments data card. Set max attachments and max attachment size to limit uploads and adjust display mode so users can add files. Bind the control's data field to your attachment column. If you use a custom UI, plan to use patch with uploaded files or submit form for standard forms. Once done, test by uploading a sample file so you confirm the binding and size limits work as expected. Finish by saving and testing. Call submit form on the edit form or patch the record to persist attachments. After saving, verify files appear in SharePoint or your table. Test different file types and sizes to ensure limits are correct. If something fails, make sure you have right permissions, check the control's error and on failure messages, and confirm max attachment size and data source limits are not blocking uploads. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.